Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today my son Adib is making double chocolate cookies. It's a very yummy recipe. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started.
To start, I'm chopping 8 ounces of bittersweet chocolate. I'm using Hershey's Special Dark. This will go into our cookie dough. And to top off our cookies, I'm breaking up 2 ounces of chocolate into at least 16 pieces. That's 1 piece for each cookie. Next, I'm going to make brown butter. To do this, melt 1 cup of butter on the stove on medium heat. Stir constantly until the milk solids start to brown, and don't let it stay on too long because it can go from brown butter to burnt butter really quick. You should use a light colored pot for this so then it's easier to see the color of the butter. It's starting to brown and this is the color that I want it at, so I'm going to take it off the heat immediately and let it cool down in a bowl. My dry ingredients are 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 2/3 cups of flour, and 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. I'm going to sift the cocoa powder to get rid of any clumps. After mixing that all together, I'm going to start mixing my wet ingredients. To the butter, add 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. After mixing that all together, add 2 eggs. Add them one at a time, mixing well after each. Mix in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Add your wet mix to your dry mix and mix it all together. Stir in the chopped chocolate. After letting the cookie dough sit for 1 hour, form your dough into balls. This makes about 16 cookies. Once you have your cookie dough balls, press a piece of chocolate into each cookie. Bake the cookies for 10 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit on the middle rack of your oven. Rotate the trays halfway through to make sure that they cook evenly. They're out of the oven and they're really soft, so I'm going to make sure to let them cool down for 10 minutes. Look how easily these double chocolate cookies came together. They look great inside. If you like this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to my mom's channel, Hasina Mustafa Munna's Recipes. Allah Hafiz.